Southwest 168, contact approach 125.75, good day.
125.75, Southwest 168, good day. Southwest 168, leveling 11,000.
Southwest 168, Denver approach, roger. It'll smooth out at 11, I'll lower in a minute. Somebody keeps transmitting, it's not readable. Southwest 168, try to maintain 9 or 1,000.
Down to 9,000, Southwest 168.
Something's wrong with that radio.
We got a lightning strike.
Southwest 168, roger. Do you require assistance and do you want to declare an emergency?
Yeah, if you could expedite us to the field.
Southwest 168, roger. I'm going to declare it upon your behalf. Safe fuel on board and souls remaining. I'll expedite you.
All right, currently 14,400 pounds. And,
Southwest 168, I didn't catch the souls.
I'll get that to you.
Okay, roger. United 746, turn left heading 2 on the local market.
You're blocked. What was it?
United 746 heading 200, join the local market.
200 to join the local, United 746.
Southwest 168, maintain 7,000, just acknowledge with an ident.
Approach code 5404.
Code 5404, approach standby. Southwest 168, if you hear me, just try to maintain 7,000 and turn left heading 260. Southwest 168, turn left heading 260. Southwest 168, if you hear my transmission, just ident. Southwest 168, turn left heading 200, maintain 7,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 17 left approach.
Approach, United 2288, 11,400, descending via.
United 2288, Denver approach, roger. Route smooth out around 11,000. One aircraft got a lightning strike in that area. Southwest 168, turn left heading 200. You're 2 from Grips, maintain 7,000 until established. Cleared ILS, runway 17 left approach, just acknowledge with an ident. Southwest 4199, reduce speed 170 and